Mastering real estate marketing. Create dynamic, character-driven videos for success. Get ready to revolutionize your real estate game. In this exclusive tour, we'll unveil the secrets to creating captivating, character-driven videos that sell. Join us as we dive into the world of real estate marketing mastery. From defining your unique character to leveraging cutting-edge tools, we'll show you how to make a lasting impression in today's competitive market. So buckle up, because your journey to real estate success starts now. Step 1. Choose a character. Select a character that embodies qualities your clients will appreciate. Let's take an example for you to understand. Reliable realtor Rick could be knowledgeable, trustworthy, and approachable. Craft a backstory. Develop a backstory for Rick that highlights his expertise in the local market and his passion for helping clients find their dream homes. Appearance. Give Rick a recognizable appearance that aligns with your real estate brand, ensuring he's memorable and relatable to your target audience. Step 2. Storyboard your videos. Plan video tours. Outline each video tour to showcase the most compelling features of the properties you're selling, such as spacious kitchens, stunning views, or family-friendly neighborhoods. Determine how Rick will guide viewers through the properties, pointing out key selling points and providing helpful insights along the way. Neighborhood insights. Consider including footage of nearby amenities, schools, and attractions to give viewers a comprehensive understanding of the neighborhood's lifestyle. Step 3. Create engaging content. Use AI in BigView for script creation. Utilize AI technology in BigView to help you create scripts tailored to your unique style and voice, ensuring your commentary resonates with your audience. Film high-quality footage. Capture high-quality video footage of the properties, showcasing them from multiple angles to highlight their best features. Integrate into the videos by filming introductions and outros where he shares his expertise and enthusiasm for the properties. Step 4. Edit and enhance your videos. Use BigView for script reading. Utilize BigView to help you read your scripts smoothly and professionally, ensuring your delivery is engaging and impactful. Editing with BigView. Use BigView video editing features to edit your footage seamlessly, adding overlays, text, and graphics to enhance the viewer experience. Use green screen technology or animation software to integrate Rick into the scenes, ensuring he appears natural and engaging. Incorporate subtitles into your videos to make them accessible to viewers who are deaf or hard of hearing, as well as those who prefer to watch with the sound off. Translate into multiple languages with BigView. Utilize translation tools to provide subtitles in multiple languages, expanding your reach to a global audience and making your content more accessible to non-native speakers. Step 5. Promote your videos. Share on YouTube. Upload your videos to your YouTube channel, optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags for search visibility. Share widely. Share your videos on your real estate website, social media channels, and email newsletters to reach a wide audience of potential buyers. Encourage engagement. Prompt viewers to like, comment, and share your videos to increase engagement and visibility across platforms. Targeted advertising. Consider running targeted advertising campaigns to reach specific demographics or geographic areas with your character-driven video content. Step 6. Evaluate and iterate. Solicit feedback. Gather feedback from clients and colleagues to identify areas for improvement and refine your character-driven marketing strategy. Experiment and innovate. Continuously experiment with new ideas and creative techniques to keep your content fresh and relevant to your target audience, ensuring your videos remain effective in the competitive real estate market. By following these real estate-specific steps, utilizing tools like BigView for script reading and video editing, and incorporating subtitles and translations, you can create compelling, character-driven videos that effectively showcase your properties and differentiate your brand, ultimately driving more sales and engagement. Subscribe to my channel to see more video on the subject, and see you in the next video.